Noong December 2, final po ang first impeachment complaint kay BP Sara, and then followed by December 4 and December 19. So instead of acting on these 3 complaints, hindi po inaksyonan ng Kongreso yung 3 complaints na yan. At that time, Catholics and Iglesia ni Cristo reacted of this series of events through the rallies and events that had built up. Let us move forward. January 13 ay nagkaroon po ng unity rally ang Iglesia ni Cristo na accordingly ay inatendan sa bulong kapuluan ng Pilipinas. Summary of around 3 million Filipinos in its designated area in Samari ay nagkrakray po ang Iglesia ni Cristo na sana wag na yang impeachment na yan dahil nga ito ay magpapawatak-watak sa ating mga Pilipino, and in fairness po ay nasuspend muna until such time na nag-break out po ang issue ng mga budget insertion, at ito ang nag-impel na ang dalawang parties separately who are Duterte supporters filed a case both in the Supreme Court kay Attorney Rodriguez as regards the budget insertions and yung separate na ombudsman case na i-file din sa House of Representatives na mga membro na nagpasa or naglagay ng mga line insertions na wala doon sa bicameral meeting na minutes. Let us move forward po after what happened to these 2 filed cases.